count to 3. Let's count my toys. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Let's count to 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Wowee!
Tap and count the teddy bears.
1, 2, 3.
You counted 3. Let's do some more counting. Which page has 3 toys? Tap it. Sweet! Tap the page with 2 toys. Super! Let's count some more.
Numbers are everywhere in our world. This is the number 3. And this is how you write the number 3. Here's a number 3. Here's a number 3. Here's a number 3. Look around to see if you can find the number 3.
Tap the number 3. Nice job! You found the number 3. Now tap the number 1. Keep it up! Let's tap some more numbers. Tap the numbers in order.
1, 2, 3.
That's right! The numbers are out of order. Tap them
1,
in the
1.
right order.
1,
Try
2.
again.
2, 3.
You tap them in order. I love counting.